In this video, I am going to show you how to farm Bloom. So if you have been following cryptocurrency and joining Telegram and X, you might come across Bloom. Yes, Bloom. This project is going to be just great. All right, and I'm going to tell you why. First, and the reason why I really love this Bloom project is that this Bloom project is all about creating an exchange where you can get access to all the cryptocurrencies. And I told you that when it comes to exchanges and wallet projects starting such kind of stuff, I am always in it 100%. And there is rumors that those who started the Binance project are those people backing the Bloom project. Hmm, that's interesting, right? Yes, so that means the Bloom project is not going to be small. So let's quickly go to their Twitter handle or the account and let's check something. All right, so now this is their Twitter account, right? So now when you click on the followers that I know, okay, so you have YesCoin, and YesCoin is also a project, okay? Yes, so that is one, and we have the Aqua Protocol following them. Web3 Daily is also following them, right? Yes, let's go down and let's check something. You can see that Get Gem, okay, is also following them. It's an NFT marketplace on the Ton blockchain. The same applies to the Ton Punks, and the Ton Punks are the real owners of the PocketFi project. So you can see this project has a really good backup. Okay, so let me go and show you how you can farm this project. All right, so now all you have to do is just click the link at the description and also at the first comment. You'll be redirected to their Telegram mini app, okay, or to their bot. You just have to click on start, then click on launch Bloom, and their mini app is going to be launched. All right, so let's give it a time and let's wait for it to be opened. All right, so now before I show you how you can farm this, remember that we have limited time. At the time you're watching me, we have limited time. Okay, so make sure you jump on it as soon as possible and try to work around it, and also invite more people. And listen, this project you can only invite 10 people. At first it was just 5 people, and they wanted to increase their numbers, so they made it 10 people. So limiting their members actually tells you that they don't want to close the tokens in distribution. So if you are watching and maybe you clicked on the link at the description down below and the link has expired, or maybe it's full, now please go to X, okay, and you'll be seeing people posting their links over there. And also, if you already have an account, okay, or if you create your account, make sure you come to this video, come and post your link at the description down below so that people can also join you. You understand? So that is it. So now this is the mini app, okay, and this is the project. So it's a very simple looked interface, right? So now this you can see over here is the Bloom token that I've mined. All right, and when you come to this section, you have the drop game, and I'm going to show you how to play that game in order to win the Bloom token. All right, so now when you check this side, you can see farming. So you have like 6 hours to come here and claim what you have gathered. Okay, so every 6 hours you just have to come here, then you come and click on this claim. Okay, then you can claim your Bloom tokens, and it will be added to this total balance. You understand? All right, so now we have tax as well. So it's very simple. Okay, just come to the tax section, okay, and you can perform some tax in order to get more of the Bloom tokens. And it's very simple. It's a matter of just following account, joining their social handles and other stuff. That's all. And also we have the friends section. That is where you can invite others. All right, so first of all, let's check the tax section. So tax, so you can see we have a couple of tags over here. So boost Bloom, you have join Bloom Instagram, follow Bloom on X. You understand. So that's all. So when you just click on that, you join their social platforms. After performing the task, you just have to click on the claim. They will review it and give you the access to claim that Bloom tokens. All right, so now let's go to the friends section. That is where you can invite people. Okay, just click on invite over here, then you send your link to people, or you can just copy your link. Okay, so when you copy your link, just have to send it to your friend, and your friend can join your link. You understand? And that you'll be rewarded with some tokens, right? And one good thing about this is that whilst your friend is farming the Bloom tokens, you are going to get some rewards. Okay, so anytime your friend farms, you also get reward from your friend's farm. You understand? So that is why you don't have to joke with this project, right? Okay, so that's great. So let's go to the home section. So this is it. So I'm going to show you how you can play the game in order to get more of the Bloom tokens. All right, so just click on the play. So you just have to be tapping on the kind of grass. Okay, when you tap the ice, what it does is it cools or stops the action. Okay, and you can see we have some missile. Okay, some bomb over there. So make sure you don't click on any of the bomb. So I've tapped the code or the ice. You can see it has stopped. So I just have to be tapping on the grass. You can see this missile. Okay, don't click on it, or this bomb. Don't click on the bomb, or else all what you have gathered will be lost. Okay, you can see it has stopped, so I'm just going to tap. Okay, and you see there is a timer over there, so the timer too, if it ends then the game ends. Okay, so this is what I was able to gather, 114, and it is going to be added to my balance. You understand? And if you have a good streak, you are going to get more of the game. Okay, so make sure every day you go into the project or into the mini app, then you farm every day. Make sure you go there, and you are going to be rewarded with the gameplay ticket, so that you can keep on playing the game and earning more of the Bloom token. All right, so please, if you are new to this YouTube channel, give me a like, subscribe, and also leave your comment at the comment section. Join my Telegram channel and also follow me on X. If you're an old member, just give me a like and also leave a comment at the comment section. And don't forget to follow me on X and Telegram. Thank you, and let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.